You know, the snob traveler about to hit the road. We're gonna have some fun. I can't wait to get to Atlanta for this part of my trip. I get to go to this world premiere, 13 Steps. It's a documentary about Edwin Moses, who revolutionized the 400-meter hurdle. He was the first to come up with doing these 10 hurdles in 13 steps, with the exception of the first one. I think the first one might be 19. I want to thank you for tuning in to Moody's Mixer. God bless.